Hello dear students, welcome back again to Chinmoy's biology channel. So in the previous episode I have also discussed the full lesson of nutrition in plants for the 7th CBSE students. So today I am back with a set of questions for you all. So as you have all gone through the lesson, I think you are having so many questions in your mind. So let's discuss with a few questions today. Without any further delay, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and share it with your friends as much as you can, so that if you are liking my channel, I want your likes and comments in the comment box, and I want you to write in the comment box what are your queries, what are your doubts. So stay tuned, stay updated, and let's start with today's lesson, that is a questionnaire session of nutrition in plants. Now let's directly come to the exercise what we are going to discuss today. So in the previous episode I have already discussed the full details of the lessons. So all the answers are hidden in that lesson only. Please go through it to answer the following questions. So I'll just tell you the questions here. You take out your answer book and just write the questions. You can just write the answers from the video. So why do organisms take food? We all know that why we are taking food. So you just should write the answer. Distinguish between a parasite and a saprotroph. I have told you what is a parasite and what is the difference between a parasite and a saprotroph. How would you test the presence of starch in leaves? I have told you the iodine test. In that activity I have told you how to keep the potted plants or the of these plants 2 or 3 days in dark and then do the iodine test. So how do you test the presence of starch in leaves? This you should write. Now give a brief description of the process of synthesis of food in green plants. So photosynthesis you are here to discuss about. So show with the help of a sketch that plants are the ultimate source of food. So that diagram also is there, and I have told you which diagram helps the plants to show that the plants are the ultimate source of food. Now let's come to the fill in the blanks down here. Green plants are called dash since they synthesize their own food. Very easy one. The food synthesized by plants is stored as what? In photosynthesis, solar energy is absorbed by the pigment called. So I have discussed in a diagram where I have told you that these are chlorophyll and within that there are chloroplasts. So that is absorbed by the pigment called chloroplasts, right? Now next comes during photosynthesis the plants take in what gas is being taken in and what gas is being released. So all I have discussed in the lesson. So please go to the lesson, just read where I have discussed that and answer it. A parasitic plant with yellow, slender and branched stem. So this is what is there in your diagram given in the lesson. So I have told you which plant is that. Just write the answer. A plant that is partially autotrophic. You should name the plant which is partially autotrophic. And the pores through which the leaves exchange gases. Very common answer. You know that. Now tick the correct answer. Cuscuta is an example of an autotroph, a parasite, a saprotroph or a host. The plant which traps and feeds on insects is China rose, pitcher plant rose, Cuscuta. So this with diagram with detailed description I have discussed. Now match the following items given in column 1 and column 2. So column 1 we are having chlorophyll, nitrogen, Cuscuta, animals and insects, as well as in column 2 we are having rhizobium, heterotrophs, pitcher plant, leaf and parasite. So you are supposed to this match this column A and B. Mark true if the statement is true and false if it is false. So carbon dioxide is released during photosynthesis. Just read the questions carefully when you are answering true and false. Now plants which synthesize their food are called saprotrophs. The product of photosynthesis is not a protein. Solar energy is converted into chemical energy during photosynthesis. Choose the correct option from the following. That is, which part of the plant takes in carbon dioxide from the air for photosynthesis. So root hair, stomata, leaf veins or petals. So these are very easy questions. I don't want to tell the answers now. I am giving you time. 2 or 3 days time. You take your time. Just I am reading out the questions. You write the answers. Then I'll be back with the answers of this exercise. Now choose the correct option from the following. Plants take carbon dioxide from the atmosphere mainly through their roots, stem, flowers or leaves. Why do the farmers grow many fruits and vegetables crops inside large greenhouses, and what are the advantages to the farmers? So this is all you are going to discuss in this there is an extended project and activities that is not required actually. So this all you just take your answer book and you just write these answers, and then in the next session I'll be discussing with the answers. And if you want to know more regarding what are the upcoming lessons, please stay tuned, subscribe to my channel to know more such regarding your CBSE curriculum. So if you are liking my channel, do like and share my videos. Thank you.